For nearly 20 years, we trained ourselves to talk to computers like cavemen. We chopped our questions into broken, disjointed fragments, phrases like plumber near me or cheap roof repair. Businesses adapted to this fractured language. To get noticed, you had to pack your website with those exact awkward phrases, hoping to trick the internet's filing system into putting your page at the top of the pile. But look at how we search today. We pull out our phones and we speak in complete sentences. We describe our exact problems and ask artificial intelligence to give us a direct answer. The modern algorithm no longer simply scans for matching text strings. It reads the intent behind the question, cross-references millions of data points, and writes a custom response on the spot. Modern search systems now act as intermediaries, synthesizing information from across the web to determine which specific businesses satisfy a user's intent. If your website was built exclusively for that old keyword era, you face a severe problem. When an AI scans a site filled only with disjointed phrases and sales pitches, it hits a wall. It cannot find the explanations, the logic, or the detailed context it requires to formulate a coherent recommendation to a user. Without this conversational context, the AI lacks the data it needs to recommend you, causing your business to be omitted from the synthesized answers it provides to potential customers. Let's say a homeowner pulls out their phone and urgently asks for help with a leaking roof that just started dripping into their kitchen. Behind the screen, the algorithm tears that prompt apart, filtering the local digital ecosystem for an answer. It isolates the variables to extract exactly who is needed and what service they provide. If your site clearly defines you as a local roofer repairing active leaks, you pass this first gate. Next, it maps the logistics. Where is the emergency located, and why is the service required right now? The AI cross-references the user's location with the service areas and detailed capabilities documented on your website. Structuring your digital presence to directly answer these foundational journalistic questions is the minimum requirement to move past this initial filtering stage. Establishing basic relevance is only the first hurdle. Before the AI serves up your name as the solution, it has to build confidence in your operations. It searches for logistical transparency. The system looks for pages explaining exactly how your repair process works and clear indicators of how much it might cost. This is why the algorithm heavily favors frequently asked questions. Documenting the answers to common customer concerns directly on your site serves as pre-packaged logic for the machine. By publishing these answers, you provide the specific data points the AI uses to verify your expertise and confirm you can solve the user's problem. There is a temptation here to generate endless pages of random content, hoping to cast a wider net and capture more traffic. Publishing irrelevant articles or chasing side topics actively works against you. It dilutes your brand's identity and confuses the machine's understanding of your core expertise. Instead, you have to cluster your information tightly. You connect helpful articles, local customer reviews, and exact service details directly back to your primary offerings. This dense clustering creates a web of topical authority, known as a knowledge graph. The AI scans this heavy concentration of relevant data and recognizes it as an undeniable factual source. This focused structure becomes the strongest possible bridge, linking your brand directly to the people searching for your exact services. The technical methods for reaching customers are moving away from simple link matching toward information synthesis. Traditional search engine tactics are no longer sufficient on their own. Digital survival now requires a hybrid approach. You must integrate traditional search engine optimization with answer engine optimization. You cannot game this system with cheap tricks or keyword stuffing. The algorithm evaluates businesses based on utility, clarity, and how helpful their information actually is. The businesses positioned to capture the market over the next decade are the ones doing the work today, anticipating what their customers need to know and documenting those answers. To survive in this environment, your strategy has to be comprehensive. You have to be found, you have to be relevant, and ultimately, be the answer.